Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's episode of A Piece of Life podcast powered by Brain to Body Revolution. I, Supriya Nehra, welcome each and every one of you. With me is my partner, my lovely
Soumya.
Samya. So, guys, here we are welcoming you again today with an amazing new topic. So, Soumya, I was actually thinking about that we have done so many things regarding our mindset. Na? Let us talk about our gut today.
Wow, that's wonderful. Yes, I would like to know more about gut.
Yes. So, have you ever noticed that something strange is there in the modern life? We have so many of food. We people are taking supplements. People are taking different kind of prebiotic diet, probiotic, and everything they are taking. They have got diet plans also nowadays. Even ChatGPT can give you a diet plan nowadays, right? So yet
Absolutely.
people feel so more tired, more bloated. Lot of inflammation is there in their mind.
Yeah.
Even mentally also they feel foggy. You
Yes,
resonate with
absolutely.
it?
Yeah. We have statistics also to prove that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And even if that sleep they are taking, it is not restorative in the sense that they are not having proper sleep. और अगर सो
Hmm.
भी रहे हैं ना तो भी उनका REM increase नहीं हो रहा है. So there are a
Hmm.
lot of reasons behind it. So we are going to talk about that today. We have actually made our mind that we'll talk about that. That people, why people are getting that, when they are sleeping in the afternoon, they are sleeping for the longer time, and at night they are not sleeping. And when you are at work also, you are feeling drowsy. The efficiency has reduced. All of that. So the reason behind this is you would want to take a guess of it?
I was just asking you, so all this is connected to gut. That's what you're trying to
Yes,
highlight, right?
definitely. It
Okay.
is connected with your gut
Okay.
and different environmental factors also. We'll discuss about that. But
Okay.
this is actually not something which is due to the lack of food because food is in abundance. We know that.
Of course, yeah, everywhere,
It
wherever
is
you go.
available everywhere in every form. Even if you go to space, you take the tablets, है ना? और वहां
Mm-hmm.
पर जाते हो तो food is available there also. But
Mm-hmm.
actually, it is interestingly, it is because of the increased amount of food that we are consuming day by day.
The food itself is a problem.
Food itself is a problem. It
Oh.
has to come in order to make us efficient, but it is making us lethargic and a lackadaisical, lack of energy. Why? It is not the food that is causing the problem. It is
Mm.
us, the way we are
Oh.
consuming it, है ना? The
Mm.
binging, all that thing is actually making us sick from within.
Ah, acha, makes sense. So we blame the food, but it's not the food, it's us and our mindset and everything related
Definitely.
to that.
It is
Okay.
us, our mindset and our habits.
Mm.
So even our ancestors from way behind, they were so smart that they periodically they used to give our digestive system rest.
Yeah.
So maybe we also need to adopt that lifestyle, and we're adopting that in brain to body also. We give some rest to our stomach. That
Mm.
in
Yes.
certain amount of time that we should give rest to our body, rest
Mm.
to the digestive system, so that the internal mechanism gets worked upon. You are able to work upon the upper part of your body, which is the mind.
Okay. Makes sense. Okay. The rest in the sense to take a pause from having food.
Took a pause from having food. So
Okay.
our ancient cultures may the yogis and the monks
Mm.
all they used to follow one common thing, which is
Less food fasting.
less food and fasting. So
Oh,
now, सही जवाब. So
yeah.
now, coming in this, now you were asking now, it is about food only. No, it is not about food only. It is
Mm-hmm.
about the environmental factor also. It is
Mm-hmm.
the winter का onset है, summer is coming, है ना? Summer
Mm-hmm.
season आने वाला है. और winter में क्या होता है ना, हमारे body में तरह तरह की चीजें होती हैं. We have to stay in a closed environment और उसके कारण जो different तरीके के food items होते हैं, उसके कारण हमारे body के अंदर थोड़ा mucus generate हो जाता है,
Mm-hmm.
कफ आता है. So all these things, because of that ना, our body is so much consumed in all that. You need a transition time. This is a transition time that spring has come.
Mm-hmm.
Transition in the case of weather also and in
Mm-hmm.
us. तो स्प्रिंग हैज कम. स्प्रिंग सीजन आते ही जो है हमको अपने सिस्टम को थोड़ा सा पॉज देना होता है, एंड दैट इज वाई हमारे हिंदू के कल्चर में भी बहुत सारे कल्चर, इवन अभी अभी रमजान चल रहे थे, वहां पर
Correct.
भी है ना, मुस्लिम
रमजान
मुस्लिम
चल रहा
कल्चर
है.
में भी, इस्लाम में भी इट्स देयर. सो एवरी रिलीजन एक्चुअली thinks that fasting is a good way to give a pause to your system.
Okay. But Supriya, is
Mhm.
फास्टिंग सबके लिए सुटेबल तो नहीं है ना, लाइक इट्स नॉट सुटेबल, एवरीबody can't do like how our saints and monks can. Is it
Yeah, they cannot
necessary
do
to
it.
do it like how they did it?
No, no, no. Not they, no, not like that. But
Mm-hmm.
you can give your digestive system rest for certain hours, na. You can do
Mm-hmm.
it intermittently for that manner, है ना? You can give some rest for 10 hours, maybe. Maybe you can start with 10 hours. You can give a rest for 12 hours. Then you can
Mm-hmm.
maybe extend it according to your comfortability. It is not about giving rest to your body for entire 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. Your entire body has to be well equipped with that mechanism that
Yeah,
it can sustain that. So
yeah, that.
there is something called as autophagy also. You know this thing. Science says autophagy is very important. In order to activate that autophagy means that automatically you are consuming the dead materials or the dead things which are there, excess of things which are there in your body on your own. The body, it is body's own mechanism.
The
But
body
we
eats
can
itself.
induce that. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's what the body eats itself. That's
Body eats itself.
mm.
Phagos means eating,
all
right?
all the ones that are not required by the body. Mm.
Everything that which is not required by your body tries to eat itself so that the things get cleared. Just कि हम अपने घर का झाड़ू पोछा खुद करते हैं ना, तो वो जो
Mm.
कचरा होता है उसको निकालना पड़ता है ना, just like that. There is lot of debris associated with every organ. किसी organ में कभी सर्दी हुआ, जुकाम हुआ, कुछ हुआ, repairs होती हैं, skin हमारा shed करता रहता है. So all that repairing is done when your digestive system is not busy digesting the food. अदरवाइज एंटायर बॉडी का जो मैकेनिज्म है ना, जो सिस्टम है, वो खाली डाइजेशन में ही लगा रहता है. एवरी टाइम यू आर गिविंग योर सेल्फ फूड तो बॉडी स्टार्ट द प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइजेस्टिंग, तो उसमें सारा का सारा आपका एनर्जी जाता है, ऑटोफेजी हो नहीं पाती है फिर. तो
Okay.
इसी के लिए साइंस भी इस चीज को बोलता है दैट यू शुड ऑब्जर्व फास्टिंग फॉर सर्टन टाइम सो दैट योर बॉडी गेट्स दैट मैकेनिज्म बैक, ऑटोफेजी उसमें एक्टिवेट कर सके हम लोग. तो इसके लिए साइंस भी ऐसा बोलता है, रिलीजन्स भी ऐसे बोलते हैं, स्पिरिचुअलिटी ऑल्सो सेज दैट व्हेन यू वांट टू हैव दैट क्लियर कट माइंडसेट ना, Soumya, you
Mm.
might have noticed that whenever you want to increase focus in your studies, you say that no, I want to have less food. Otherwise, I'll feel groggy, I'll feel
Mm.
sleepy, right? So
Yeah, yeah.
that is also required by the spirit when you want to connect with your spirit, when you want to connect with yourself, right? When you
Mm.
want to get clarity in your life. So
Mm.
for that, according to all that, taking all these things into consideration, our saints were actually very smart enough from that time only. This particular phase, when there's the onset of winter and the spring season is coming, there's a transition in the weather. That time they have actually kept this particular phase when we can fast ritually. When
Mm-hmm.
there is a discipline of something, now when you are doing it consistently for certain days, then the mechanism actually get even more activated. And this is the beauty of the fasting, that here in northern India and in quite many other places also in India, they observe Chaitra Navratri.
Ah, right. Yeah, that's upcoming now. That's right. Makes
Yeah.
sense.
So
Okay.
Chaitra का महीना आ रहा है. And
Mm.
you know what, Soumya, another wonderful thing is
Mm.
चैत्र नवरात्रि का सिर्फ नवरात्रि के साथ ही कनेक्शन नहीं है. When you talk about स्प्रिंग सीजन में क्या होता है ना, नए नए पत्ते खिलने लग पड़ते हैं,
Mm.
right?
Mm.
Flowers start blooming everywhere you see, and the lot of oleanders blooming here and there, lot of petunias glowing, इतने सारे flowers आसपास में होते हैं. वो क्यों होते हैं? क्योंकि they get to create themselves that time.
Yeah.
और
Yes.
हमारे यहाँ पर भी बहुत सारे जो डिफरेंट स्टेट्स हैं, वहाँ पर भी न्यू ईयर मनाया जाता है चैत्र में ही, राइट?
Yeah, yeah.
इवन इन हिंदू कैलेंडर ऑल्सो द चैत्र में हमारे नया साल शुरू होता है. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इवन द एंटायर कॉस्मोस में मैनिफेस्टेशन पावर इंक्रीज हो जाता है इस टाइम पे. The
Oh,
creative
wow.
set of yourself can get enhanced when you are actually fasting during these days, because definitely your entire body system will not be busy digesting the food. You will be
Yep.
able to create the life that you want. The
Mm.
manifestation power will get infused. So this is actually believed, again
Mm.
believed, that Brahmaji used this particular time to create the universe. This is a
Yep.
wonderful time to create your world the way you want.
Okay, so you can get into your creative mode. So yeah, we the fasting fastens it also is what we have heard. So yeah, this makes beautiful sense. Spring cosmic manifestation. Yeah, cool.
So that is why we should try to do. maximum thing so that we can manifest our dreams, and we can actually bank upon this particular period, and we can fast so that we can increase the power of manifestation and activation of our body. Not just our body gets healed, the autophagy gets induced in our body, but at the same time you will be able to create the life that you want also. Isn't it a cool idea?
It's a very fantastic idea, and our ancestors were brilliant. They knew all this. It's just they could not maybe explain it the way we want to understand
Yeah.
it these days, but they knew well before. And it's not, is it a not so cool thing to go back to roots, Supriya? What do you think?
Yeah, see, it is not definitely cool thing to go back to roots, but it is with awareness. When you go with logic, that this is the logic, because new generation, we are all science people, we all have science background. People want logic behind everything. Why I'm going to fast? Even if you tell them in a stringent manner, no, that you have to fast. This is a ritual that you have to follow. You have to do this. You have to eat less. You have to do that. So that is an imposition that we do. But when we make people understand that this is actually nature which wants you to do that, this is science which actually says that you should do that, so that your clarity is getting better. You have seen ना, जो भी एग्जामिनेशंस वगैरह होते हैं ना, वो भी इस टाइम पे होते हैं, क्योंकि आपको इस समय पे अपने सिस्टम को पूरी तरह से क्लियर रखना है। आपकी मैनिफेस्टेशन पावर इंक्रीज होगी। आप जो भी आप आंसर्स याद करोगे करोगे आपको याद होंगे, और आप लिख सकोगे उसको अच्छे तरीके से। तो दैट इज वाई अब हमारे यहाँ पर तो ऐसा होता है, इवन इन द फाइनेंशियल वर्ल्ड ऑल्सो,
Yeah,
न्यू
it's the year
फाइनेंशियल ईयर
end.
स्टार्ट्स इन अप्रैल,
Yeah.
right? So that let us bank upon that particular thing, and let us start this time our energy into the manifestation, and into clearing our gut. So your gut will be cleared, you will be completely aligned with the universal powers, the cosmic powers which wants you to create your life, and at the same time you will get more clarity and more connectedness with yourself. So
Uh,
Soumya, that is why there is something that we are bringing here at Brain to Body Revolution. Let me just now reveal it to you and to others also. So, guys, that we are actually bringing up a program again on Navratri, on the occasion of Navratri. Actually, this is a completely reset program that we'll be having. And Soumya, do you want to discuss that how we did last time and how it will be different this time?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. So thank you for kind of connecting all of it for the people, giving the explanation as to why we are doing and all that. You threw some more insights into it, which was new to me also. Thank you for that. So guys, yeah, last time we did Navratri, the traditional Navratri for 9 days. We had a preparatory phase of 1 week, and then we did it for 9 days. We have raving results for that. People lost weight, they manifested money, they manifested job, they manifested career, they lost weight, they got glowing skin, and most importantly, they
True.
understood the science and the meaning behind fasting, and they now do fasting on their own. They are not confused ki, should I eat that, should I not eat this. So if you are someone like that who is interested in fasting but do not know how to do it, and you're confused by various protocols that are there around the world, you can come join us for this Spring Fast and Manifest program that will be launched on March 19th. So please come and enroll, and we will tell, like Supriya just highlighted, all the scientific reason and more. There are more such information. We'll be giving tidbits here and there now. Know why we fast, and also how it benefits you, and how to manifest in this phase. There's a way
Yes.
to manifest as well. So yeah, this will be completely different program, and although we'll take religious inspiration, but we will also make sure it is backed with science and sense. That's what.
Definitely, definitely. And this time it was new for me also, Soumya. It is only when I researched about it, then only I came to know that why this is linked with this particular time of the year, when the new year is starting in the Hindu calendar and so many other calendars. So, guys, this is a huge opportunity for us, even both of us, to get enrolled into the system and help our body breathe into, go into a complete new environment of the summer, with detoxing yourself, with the proper alignment of your gut, heart, and mind, and increasing your manifestation powers. So, what are you
Absolutely
waiting
wonderful.
for?
Please join, comment spring fast or fast in the comment box, and we are happy to send across the brochure or details, program details for you. If you want more details, you can reach out to our Instagram profile, Brain to Body Revolution. There you'll get more details on this. uh, or you go see our www.braintobodyrevolution.com for more such details. Please do fasting, whether with us or by yourself or in your community, but make sure you do fasting this Navratri and reap the benefits that are bestowed by the nature.
Okay.
Thank you, Supriya, for this wonderful topic. Thank you so much for
Thank you
connecting
so
the
much. Thank you
dots
so
for
much.
us.
Thank you, all of you. Please get enrolled and get the magic of being. You will be fasting in your stomach actually, but your brain, your mind will be feasting on it. So we are waiting for you. Come. Thank you
Awesome.
so much, guys.
Bye, guys.
See you tomorrow again.